For lack of a better term, when we shorten a strike, we will call it a cut. Start in the ready position and begin delivering 2 diagonal cuts, starting with a left and then a right like this. As you deliver the left cut step with your left foot, and as you deliver the right cut step with your right foot. Continue this process. Now try delivering a right cut first, followed by the left cut. Now try walking while delivering diagonal cuts. Again, delivering these cuts at a 45-degree angle will put them between the head and shoulder on an attacker's neck. Just to give you an idea of why we are practicing 45-degree angle strikes and cuts. Missing the neck high will have you striking the head, and missing a bit low will have you striking and the most likely breaking the collarbone of an attacker. A strike to the neck has a very high chance of knocking out or incapacitating an attacker. However, keep in mind that these are just fitness and coordination drills for now. Once you learn to consistently deliver accurate 45-degree angle strikes, you will learn to deliver from other angles very quickly. Once you've mastered walking, you can try stepping with the left foot as you deliver a right cut and stepping with the right foot as you deliver a left cut. Make sure you master the first way before moving on to this one.